How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. So if you want to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display problem, then what you need to do is you just need to tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application and tap on app info. Once you handle the app info, now make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will not receive the WhatsApp call or it will not show on display. And once you check your internet connection, you just need to simply tap on notifications. Under notifications, if you have not turned on your notification, then you'll not be able to get the WhatsApp call notification. So make sure that you have turned on WhatsApp notifications. Once you've turned on, now you need to open up your WhatsApp. Go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go for notifications. Under notifications, make sure that you have turned on the notifications. Scroll down and here you will have calls option right on the bottom of your screen. Tap on calls, and then under calls you need to make sure that you have turned on the notification of your calls. Tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp call not showing on display problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.